I beat you. Prefer. I am now challenging the world with Got Game's best impression of Velcro. And it's currently you can't see that. 3:12 in the AM. So I'm saying, Asian, what are you doing up at 3:12 in the AM? And I'll tell you, I want to beat everyone to be the first spotter on this Velcro competition. So here's what Velcro sounds like for real. And here's my impersonation. So there was a couple, so that was a gaggle of stuff. So here's another one. And yeah. So C Tizzy, B Columbus, Lord Nugget, and Got Game. Let's see yours. See if you can top mine. Probably will because well, now there's 13. I'm tired and I don't know what I'm talking about or the sound I'm actually making. Good night. I'm still making a good video. Still gonna make a big old intro and shit. Damn. I'm still posting that. I'm sorry. Censor that out. I'll try.
My life is brilliant.
What? Was I too early? Oh, sorry. Should I? Do you want to start over or keep going? Okay. Now?
My life is brilliant. Your life's a joke. You're just pathetic. You're always broke. Your homemade Star Trek uniform really ain't impressing me. You're suffering from delusions of adequacy.